Buying a train ticket at the station. Hi, I'd like to buy a ticket to Berlin, please. Hi, I'd like to buy a ticket to Berlin, please.
Sure, one way or round trip? Sure, one way or round trip?
Round trip, please. Round trip, please.
When would you like to leave? When would you like to leave?
This afternoon around 2 p.m. This afternoon around 2 p.m.
Okay, there's a train at 2:15. Does that work? Okay, there's a train at 2:15. Does that work?
Yes, that's perfect. Yes, that's perfect.
Great. That will be 68 euros. Here's your ticket. Great. That will be 68 euros. Here's your ticket.
Asking about the train schedule or platform. Excuse me, which platform is the train to Berlin? Excuse me, which platform is the train to Berlin?
Let me check. Yes, it's platform 4. Let me check. Yes, it's platform 4.
Thank you. And when does it leave? Thank you. And when does it leave?
At 11:45, so you still have about 20 minutes. At 11:45, so you still have about 20 minutes.
Is it a direct train? Is it a direct train?
Yes, no transfers required. Yes, no transfers required.
Great. And how long is the journey? Great. And how long is the journey?
About 2.5 hours. About 2.5 hours.
Finding your seat and talking to other passengers. Excuse me, I think this is my seat. Excuse me, I think this is my seat.
Oh, sorry about that. Let me move my bag. Oh, sorry about that. Let me move my bag.
No problem, thanks. Are you going to Berlin too? No problem, thanks. Are you going to Berlin too?
Yes, visiting some family. You? Yes, visiting some family. You?
Just a quick business trip. Just a quick business trip.
I see. Do you take the train often? I see. Do you take the train often?
Not really, but it's comfortable. Not really, but it's comfortable.
Definitely better than driving sometimes. Definitely better than driving sometimes.
Asking for help with luggage or connections. Hi, can you help me with my suitcase? Hi, can you help me with my suitcase?
Of course. Let me lift it onto the rack for you. Of course. Let me lift it onto the rack for you.
Thank you so much. It's heavy. Thank you so much. It's heavy.
No problem. Where are you headed? No problem. Where are you headed?
To Berlin. Do you know if I have to change trains? To Berlin. Do you know if I have to change trains?
Yes, you'll need to change at Leipzig. Yes, you'll need to change at Leipzig.
Oh, thanks for letting me know. Oh, thanks for letting me know.
Just listen for the announcements. They're clear. Just listen for the announcements. They're clear.
Which sentence is correct? A. The train leave in 10 minutes. B. The train leaving in 10 minutes. C. The train leaves in 10 minutes. D. The train is leave in 10 minutes. Which question is polite and correct? A. Can help me you with my luggage. B. Could you help me with my luggage? C. You help me with my luggage. D. Help me with my luggage. Which sentence is in the present continuous tense? A. I wait for the train. B. I am waiting for the train. C. I waited for the train. D. I waits for the train. Which preposition is correct in this sentence? A. I'm going at Berlin tomorrow. B. I'm going for Berlin tomorrow. C. I'm going to Berlin tomorrow. D. I'm going in Berlin tomorrow.